Yes, do we have 10 number here? Yes, please give them the numbers.
This is a number game activity that we are having now, wherein groups are made of 10 participants each, and they will be provided with cards. A number will be displayed on the screen, and you need to assemble according to the number that is being displayed on the screen. So we will have groups formed here, group of 10 each. The numbers will be given, and based on the display that you see there on the screen, you will have to accommodate yourself according to the number displayed on the screen. So we will start the session now quickly.
You are 10? Yes, please be at the table. Please occupy one table with 10 participants. The numbers are coming. Yes. It is already arranged, no? It's already arranged, right? It's already arranged from 0 to 1. See? 1, 2, 3. Just give them. See, this is a group here. Give them 0 to 9. Jaldi zara. Can we have some more volunteers here, please? Volunteers. Please, quick. Yes, we are giving numbers, sir. You can.
Chance to interact and mingle with others. This activity helps you mingle with others. This is the whole concept behind this activity. Are we ready?
Have every one of you received the numbers? No? Please, guys, there.
The group there haven't received the numbers. Can you please get in touch? Volunteers, you need to be active. All assembled at one place. Quick. That group hasn't received the numbers yet. The group there, see, they're raising their hand. Quickly. Are we done? Are we ready?
Please make sure you have all the digits in your group from 0 to 9. Please recheck. Yes, all of them have the numbers. Can we start with the game? One group there, please give them the numbers. There, okay, they've got it. And have you all received the numbers? Okay, can we begin? Okay, so the number will be displayed on the screen. Can we have all your eyes on the screen and the group to make up the number the fastest? The group who's the fastest wins the game.
In your group, okay? So once the number is displayed, the numbers are with you. Come and stand here in the line. All right? Great. Ready? Everybody is ready? Thumbs up? No, not yet. Somebody is not ready there. Meanwhile, while we are getting ready, we have two felicitations. Request Humayun sir to please come on stage to do the honors. Yes, okay. Yes, what you can do is, do not come here with your numbers. Wherever you're standing, display the number there in a row format. A big round of applause for him for the hard work that he's done. You're all here because he went to the schools, coordinated, followed up with your management, with the teachers, and that's why you can see a good crowd here. Jazakallah khair. Can we have Abuzar here on stage, please? The man with glasses, young boy, mashallah, great job. Takbir for him as well. Jazakallahu khairan. We move on. So are we ready for the activity? Yes? I think we are running out of time. We should start the activity now. Can we have, everybody is ready? Can we have the number displayed? 1, 2, 3, go. Bismillah. Show the number. Where's the number? No, not like that. The number that will be displayed, we want it in that format only.
You can just coordinate among yourselves because all the groups are 10 members.
See, the number Yeah, that's the number. Increase the font. No, don't move on. Wherever you are standing, you can do it there only. No, I guess the teachers haven't understood the game.
Excuse me. No.
Go
Just-
back to your places. Go back to your places, I'll tell you. Go back to your places, I will tell you. Yes, we want it in that format. The group that has done the 5, 1,
Yes,
9, 2,
okay,
0.
that group wins. That group wins because
See,
you
we
have
need to
to
do it that
stay
way.
at your own place and put the number up. Yes, that
got
group
it now?
wins.
Did you all get that? We will play that again. Fair enough.
Once more, this can be taken as a trial. This can be taken as a trial. We will start the game from now on. Please go back to your places. I told
Good.
them.
So we will do that again. We will have a different number. Can you please increase the font? Yes, that's a good font. Change the screen, type a new number and get back to the screen. Jazakallah khair.
Dear teachers, please be seated. Teachers, you can be near your table and you can just display it.
297358140. 297
Okay.
297 के बाद 3 5. Yeah, they're done.
There.
They are done.
How? These are done.
They are
Where's the
also
number?
done. So the group here wins and the group there as well.
Yes. 2937. Yes, that group also.
The last
So
team
that
there
is why
as
we
well.
are
They
telling
also
you,
have got the
please
number
be
right
there
in the
near the
shortest
tables.
span. Yes. 29735. Okay, there's a new number, is it? 736. Seven three six 2145098. 736.
We have the
There,
men's over there. We have the men's over there.
736,
That group there
Boys,
in the last.
boys,
We have
yes,
the men's
the boys
over
have
there.
won. Good. Less in numbers, but they won.
Yes, okay.
7533.
Okay, we can give it to the gentleman.
736.
We have the men
yes.
over there.
Yes, there as well. Good. Yes. 739. Yes, this here as well. Twice. Yes. Takbir, ma'am. Great. Good job. Barakallah Fiqh, ma'am. Please get back to your seats. Thank you so much for that active participation and enthusiasm. Go. Thank you so much, teachers, for your active participation. Please get back to your seats, settle down. Imagine now if this is the situation with the teachers at this age, if we are so active, imagine if we do this event with the students, how would be the reaction and how difficult it would be for us to control. So this is how a human being is, this is how children will be. So we have to adapt the way they are, and that is when they nurture, they grow and become to be whatever they become, inshallah. Great. Are we all ready for the next session? Put your numbers back. Put your bags down, relax, turn towards the stage.